Dame to Cosita. But anyway, that is my thoughts. Q.
Wow. So I don't know if you heard about what happened in Ligony yesterday. So one of the windshield wipers came up to this car. Apparently the person told him not to do anything, and I don't know what he did, but in the end,
understand this
yeah, in the
story
end, someone chased him, fired a couple of shots, missed him, and hit a lady. Good news is that I was reading this morning that the lady is recovering well. I'm told she was hit 3 times, even though the story this morning says they were unable to say how many times she was hit.
She was shot in the leg.
And 2 in her stomach.
And
well,
one bullet entered one side of her abdomen and came out through the other side. So she had to undergo surgery.
And then, lo and behold, to find out that it was a police officer who fired the shots. Wow.
I don't understand.
Yeah, I can't figure it out. I know some of them sometimes are a little annoying, but to chase someone...
Actually, some of them are more than annoying. They're aggressive and they're threatening.
But I don't think they deserve to be shot at.
Yeah, I don't understand the disconnect between... The guy said he asked the man to wipe the car, he said no, and the next thing he knew, the man was chasing him. Policeman says he told him not to wipe the car, the guy got boisterous and reached in his waist, and he was defending himself. Who knows what the real story is? I guess time will figure that out.
The guy says, and I quote, him select up him gun. So me say, boss, what that for? What you gonna do? Kill me? In the morning, yeah? Him say him not take no check from no man. He said the driver then parked at a gas station, exited the car and chased him. Run him around me down and select him gun and fire it. And the bullet end up in a woman right over there. So if not that all. That's what the guy says.
Crazy though. Can you imagine you get up to go to work? And the next thing you know, you're on the way to the hospital with... I mean, anyway, as you said, we're glad she's recovering. That's the one good thing out of this story. What's happening with Castro?
Apparently, and this came up before, this testosterone thing came up before, and apparently they said, well, she has too much, and it's unfair that she's running against other ladies, and she just won't lose. So the IWF is saying, well, they want to control the levels.
Salud, Aubrey.
Yeah, and some people are saying, well, it's foolishness that South Africans saying the new rules.
So how do you work your way out of it? How does this come to a mutually beneficial?
Yeah, because it seems like this is a medical thing that they have to work out.
It's biological, she can't fix it.
Right, but some people are saying that it is unfair that she should almost be running with the men, almost. Some people are suggesting, but South Africa is saying these rules are specifically to stop Semenya or Semenya.
And I think she has public sentiment on her side, actually.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah. But as I said, some doctors have weighed in and they're saying, well, I think I heard Dr. Mansing was saying if you just spoke about Semenya, you just say she's a she,
woman.
Right, argument finished
there.
But
in every else of life, she would be a woman.
But because she's in a race, and it seems to be unfair to the other competitors. So we'll hear more about this, I'm sure. The third one is a little strange because I didn't know that the women in Iran were banned from watching a football game. And as far as I know, they're not. It says that although there's no official ban on women going to sports events.
Maybe it's not typical.
Yeah, they disguised themselves as men so that they could watch the game.
They did a good job.
Yeah, you could never tell, could you?
Is that a woman right there?
I don't know.
Cannot be do. Seriously? Shauna, that's a woman?
The one in the front? Where she says yes. But...
On the right hand of the screen?
I couldn't tell.
No, sir.
I couldn't tell.
Wow. That's impressive. She looked more manly than many men I know. Well, some of those in the front you can tell is not really. That's interesting.
All right.
So they got away with it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. It is the 4th of May. I cannot believe that.